Hey Jammers, it's me, Fuzzy, here with another video. Today I'm doing something you've probably never seen on any Animal Jam channel before, telling people to go on my Jamma wall. If you want to know why, well, I'm just doing it to get people to watch my channel. And funny thing is, this is the third attempt I've done. First time, I had a little trouble with the microphone, and the second time, my mum interrupted me, which was very annoying. So, let's go. We've got Buddy in here. I don't have that, so unfortunately I cannot. She has... That's actually a really nice colour. Got a few people on the jam ball. What res? I just paused the video for a bit because my mum came in. I managed to pause it that time. Got a jammogram. I'll check this. A secret Valentine. Yay. At the end of the video, I will read these messages on the Jamma wall. Oh, people are on the Jamma wall. Guess it's a lot more convincing than gift me for a mail time. Because they actually know how to find my channel now, so they know I'm not just doing it for free stuff. Gonna remove this one. I didn't even know you could get that one. Looks like a gecko. Oh, so I've got a secret Valentine who speaks German. If you didn't know, hello is German for hello. La la. That's a lot of people on Jamma walls. I'm not convinced most of them will believe me. Oh, look at that. My mouse is glitching. Well, not really glitchy, but you know what I mean. It's flickering. And it's seriously weird. Five. I'm gonna give them a bad rare, just to, you know. My game is seriously laggy. These are all good rares. I can't. At least I think they're good. I will be doing this off camera as well. Yeah, you totally are. I mean, I am. So. Oh my. They have a long spiked collar and 2 long spiked wristbands and a flower crown and another flower. How does this person have 2 flower crowns? Well, they're probably a beta player. If I can get someone to read my Jamaa wall now. Everyone else seems just bored. I'm going to a different server to trade. Alden is the only full server. Usually there's like 10. Why Serapia Forest? Of all places, you had to put me in Serapia Forest. Okay, which one am I in? Yes, I got into Alden. Ooh. 2 things. No thank you. someone's having a very heated discussion about how much they hate clowns. Apparently they melted. I'm just gonna keep reposting this until someone actually reads it. This is probably getting boring, so I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Be sure to like, comment and subscribe, and we'll have a look. And before we go, I have an announcement. I'm doing a Chinese New Year mail time tomorrow, so I would love it if you could gift me for my video. That's about it. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.